Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is measurement, lecture 2. So let us start our class. In our lecture we shall solve 2 CBQ and another one is your SW. So let us start. Our first CBQ is the length of an oil container is 50 centimeter, wide is 40 centimeter and height is 70 centimeter. Question number A, what is the volume of the container? Question number B, how many liters of oil can be put in the container? Before starting to solve this math, we need to make a plan how we can solve this math first. So first of all, the first question is what is the volume of the container? To solve this math, we need to know what is the formula of volume of the container. The container is in 3 dimensions. Let us draw the figure of container. What is this? This is a figure of rectangle and it is 2 dimensional. It has length and it has length and width. For this reasons it is 2 dimensional. If I draw another rectangle inside this rectangle, then we notice that this is a container and it has length, side and width also. So we need to find out the volume of this container. The volume of this container is length, width and height. That means length multiply width multiply height. So the volume of the container, the formula is length multiply width multiply height. So the stem give you the information that length is 50 centimeter, width is 40 centimeter and height is 70 centimeter. So first of all you write given that length is 50 centimeter, wide is 40 centimeter and height is 70 centimeter. Now we know that the volume of the container equal to length multiply width multiply height. Now we put the value of length, width and height. What is the value of length? Length is 50 centimeter. This multiply sign is here. Then what is the width? Value of width, that means 40. So we write here 40. What is the value of height? The value of height is 70. Now we multiply these 3 numbers and we get the volume of the container. How can we multiply? We use here the short process of multiplication. Just like we multiply first 7, 4 and 5. Then 5 4 jar 20. 27 jar 140. So write 140 first. Then how many zeros left? 1, 2, 3. So now we write this 30. So if we multiply centimeter, 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 then we get centimeter cube. Centimeter cube and centimeter cube is the unit of this volume. That means the answer is 1,40,000. Okay, you must write answer. And this is the solution of our question A. Now we shall solve question number B. Question number B is how many liters of oil can be put in the container? Before starting to solve this math, we need to know how many centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. We know that 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. So from question A we get the volume of the container is 1,40,000. So now we know that 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Next we want to convert this 1,40,000 centimeter into liter. So we divide 1,40,000 by 100 and we get the volume of the container. Here the division process that means 1000 and here is 1,40,000. So at first we take 1400. In 1400, 1000 goes in 1 times. Then 1000 ones are 1000. If we subtract, then we get 400 and 10 is here. Is here. Then in 40,000, 1000 goes in 4 times. That means, and 10 is here. In 0,000 goes in 0 times. That means 0. So the answer is 140 liter. So 140 liters of oil can be put in the container, and it is your required answer. So answer is 140 liters. Now we shall solve our question number C. Mr. Jamal bought 4.8 kg rice, 6 hectogram pulse and 1200 gram vegetables. Question number A is, how many kg of pulse did he buy? Question number B, how many kg of vegetable did he buy? Question number C, how many grams of things did he buy in total? That means to start to solve a math, we need to make a plan, that means make a algorithm to solve, how to solve this math. So the first question is, how many kg of pulse did he buy? The stem give you the information that he buy 6 hectogram pulse. So we need to convert this 6 hectogram into kg, then we get the answer. Question number B, how many kg of vegetable did he buy? The stem give you the information that Mr. Jamal bought 1200 gram vegetables. That means we want to convert this 1200 gram into kg, and we get the answer. Question number C, how many grams of things did he buy in total? That means rice given in kg, from A we get pulse in kg, from B we get vegetables in kg. So we at first add the items, that means pulse, vegetables and rice in kg. Then we want to convert this kg into gram, and finally we get the answer. So the first question, let us start to solve our first question. The first question, given that Mr. Jamal bought 6 hectogram pulse. 6 hectogram pulse. We know that 10 hectograms equal to 1 kg. 10 hectogram equal to 1 kg. Now we want to convert this 6 hectogram into kg. So 6 hectogram equal to what? 6 divided by 10. Here the division procedure is here. In 6, 10 goes in 0 time. That means 0 times are 0. By subtracting we get 6, and 6 is smaller than 10. For this reason we give here point, for this point give here 0. Then in 60, 10 goes in 6 time. That means 6 tens are 60. If we subtract, then 0. That means the answer is 0.6 kg. So he bought 0.6 kg of pulse, and this 0.6 kg is the answer. Okay, our question number A is done. Next we shall solve our question number B. How many kg of vegetables did he buy? Here the vegetables is in gram. We want to convert this gram into kg, and then we get the answer. So first of all we write, given that Mr. Jamal bought 1200 gram of vegetables. Now we know that 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Then 1200 gram equal to how many kg? We divide this 1200 divided by 1000, and we get the amount of kg. In 1200, 1000 goes in 1 times. That means 1000s are 1000s. If we subtract, then we get 200. 200 is smaller than 1000. For these reasons we give here point, and for this point we give 10. In 2000, 1000 goes in 2 times. That means 2 multiplied with 1000 and we get 2000. If we subtract, then we get 0. So 1.2 kg, 1.2 kg. So he bought 1.2 kg of pulse. That means the answer is, sorry, pulse, it will be vegetables. Okay, the answer is 1.2 kg. Now our question number C, how many grams of things did he buy in total? That means at first we write from A we get pulse 0.6 kg. From B we get vegetables 1.2 kg, and given that the stem give us the information that rice 4.8 kg. Now we add these 3 items, that means pulse, vegetables and rice in kg. That means 4.8 plus 1.2 plus 0.6. We notice that after point each number has 1 digit. So we add this first, 6 to 8, 8 and 8, 16, carrying 1, and this 0, 1, 4, 5 and carrying on 6. So 6.6 kg. Now we convert this kg into gram and finally we get the answer. We know that 1 kg equal to how many gram? 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Then 6.6 kg equal to how many gram? It greater than 1. For these reasons multiplication will be happen. That means 1000 multiplied with 6.6 and we multiply now and finally we get the answer. So we use here the easy process of multiplication. That means at first we consider there is no point and this is number 66. So 66 is multiplied with 1 and it will be 66. Now how many zeros are there? There are 3 zeros. Now we write here 30. We notice after point there is 1 digit. For these reasons we give the point here. So 6600 gram. So he bought 6600 of things in total and the answer is 6600 gram. Our third question is, a family needs 36 liters drinking water in 3 days. Question number A is, how many deciliters of water do they need in a day? Question number B, how many centiliters of water do they need in 4 days? So before starting to solve this math, you need to make a plan or algorithm. How can you solve this math? So the first question is, how many deciliters of water do they need in a day? That means the stem give you the information in 3 days a family need 36 liters. So in 1 day how many liters is needed? So we divide this 36 by 3 and we get the amount of liters that a family needs in 1 day. Then we want to convert this liter into deciliter and we finally get the answer. Our question number B is, how many centiliters of water do they need in 4 days? So from question number A we get in 1 day how many liter of drinking water needs a family. Then we multiply that amount of liter with 4 and finally we get the amount of liters that a family needs in 4 days. Then we want to convert these liters into centiliter and we finally get the answer. My dear students, question number C and question number D will be your SW. You have to do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it every Sunday. Okay, our today's lecture is finished. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing and hope and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.